Happy Monday, everyone. We got an order for Shelby from Scottsdale, and she ordered a creator brush number 5. She got lucky because it's the last one in stock. We still have 19 brushes, but we are out of stock for 20 and 21, waiting to be delivered soon. She ordered some pigments from Brovi Van collection. It's a deep dark brown color, dark brown and light brown. Cool light brown has a cool temperature obviously, and yellow based. It's great for European, Eastern European and Nordic skin. Dark brown is a universal brown pigment with a neutral color temperature, and deep dark brown is rich brown ink, recommended for Mediterranean and Asian skin. So here you get the description of all the colors, so you better know how to use them.